Alright, so I had someone ask how I made these little clear acrylic bases to put onto my archways. They're really kind of hard to see on camera once you take the film off of them. They come with a kind of like a opaque plastic covering both sides. So the question was, what did I use to make them? Was it like a packaging or something like that? And the answer is, it was made from one of these. Now, I'm going to try and keep this in focus. My camera kind of has some issues with it. This is a acrylic sheet that I got off of Amazon. It came in a box of, I think, maybe 30 or so of them. They're pretty nice. I got them for a different project and decided, you know what, why not? Let's use it for this one. These ones in particular are about a 1/16 of an inch thick, so they're really, really thin, and they're great for making bases and stuff. This one is 4 inches by 6 inches, and I'm going to show you how I cut them. They're actually really easy to cut. I'm not going to use that one because that one's brand new. This one is one that I've been using, and I'm going to make a couple of 4-inch strips out of this. Now, it's got this opaque, I'm going to keep it a little off-center so it stays in focus. It's got this opaque plastic on both sides. Now you want to leave that on as you're breaking it apart. So what we're going to do, and I'm just going to use the grid on my mat here to kind of line everything up. Let's put that a little more in center for the camera here. There we go. So I'm just going to take a ruler and I'm going to line it up. I want these to be 1 inch wide and 4 inches long, because I'm planning on making a few more archways to fill in a few sections of the sewer system that I've been working on. So I'm going to take a utility knife. The tip on this one is a little dull, but that's okay. You can use a brand new one if you like. And all I'm going to do is make a few passes. The more passes that you do, the more easily it will break apart. Now, don't do what I did and let it kind of slide all over the place. If that happens, it's going to be next to impossible to get the scribe marks consistent. Okay, I think that might be good. So you can see, bring it a little closer here, it's got this nice little line right here, and when that happens, you're cutting through it just a little bit, and that'll let me peel this section off, and then I can peel the film off of the other side, and you'll see that it is this nice clear material with the film having been removed. Now, because I'm going to be using this on the tabletop and in gameplay for a few things, I'm going to clip the edges to make them a little bit more rounded, a little bit more user-friendly. So all I'm going to do is just clip the edge just a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, super easy. But that gives it a little bit more of a rounded edge and a little less pokey for players and DMs to be using. And there we go. The edges have been nipped. And I can peel this off. And now we have a nice 4-inch clear plastic base. These are great if you're going to put stuff down on a tabletop and you've done a lot of work on making texture for the ground or things like that, or painted on a huge thing and you want to set stuff down. This will let you plop it down and you can see through it pretty easily, and it doesn't cover up all the work that you did to the lower area. So I hope that's been helpful. I'm planning on doing a few more of these, so if you have any questions going forward, like, hey, how did you make this thing or that thing, or what kind of thing did you use, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make more videos like this. If I get a lot of them, I'll do one massive video showing all of them at once. If it's just one or two, I might do individual videos for them. And whoever comments the questions, I will definitely put them in the video as part of the video, just letting people know who asked what. So, yeah, hope that was helpful. Look forward to seeing everyone next time.